Hi, thanks for checking out this video on an Android development tool I've been working on. I call it Arcs Components. Over the years, I've found myself re-implementing a lot of common functionality across apps. Stuff that is conceptually simple but tedious to develop. What I'm really looking for is a way to encapsulate solved problems in a composable way so that they can be used with minimal effort across projects. Enter the reactive extensions. This library provides the nuts and bolts for building reactive applications from composable pieces. If you haven't checked it out yet, you definitely should. Using Arcs Android, we can build a system that allows developers to combine reusable components to create an Android library. This would allow rapid development of common functionality, allowing you to focus on the interesting parts that are unique to your app. Let me show a quick example. So let's talk about a login form for your app. You have an edit text for the username, an edit text for the password, and a submit button that you want to enable only when the username and password meet some criteria. This is really common, not interesting, and essentially a solved problem, yet you need to re-implement it every time. Say you just wanted to ensure the username and password were above a certain length. To solve this in Arcs Components, you would first add an edit text component for both the username and password. Since we are really interested in the length of the inputs and not the strings themselves, we would connect them to a string length component. This in turn would connect to a greater than component, which would ensure they were over a certain length. Because we only want to enable the button when both inputs pass the test, we can run them through an AND component before passing the result to the enable button component. Building what you see here would give you an Android archive that you can import into your development environment. Now, this is obviously a very simplified example, but I wanted to show how the tool would be used. The real power from a tool like this comes from the ability to share components and solutions with other people and reuse ones that they have made. I'd love to hear what you think. You can reach me on Twitter or Reddit at @A_Marklar. Thanks for watching.